Let's be taking a look at this wonderful VPN application. I'm pretty much showing you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very easy to use. And here that is the connection button by just tapping on the lemon icon here. Down here is the added time which you can add. Do get 50 minutes connection time, but if you want to stay connected, you're gonna need to add time to the VPN connection. So at the top here is pretty much where you go to select your servers. You can let it stay on the smart connect, or should I say fastest server. Automatically select a fast server for you. If not, you just want to select your server yourself. You can just go in the server section and scroll for what you want. There are quite a lot of servers, but they're only United States and Canada. But I think you can scroll down somewhat to see our servers, but there are too much servers. So it's getting here a lot of Canada and United States servers. So those are only two servers which you can get right now to use. So that's pretty much it for that there. And over here to you guys, you have the app filtering feature. You can choose whichever application you do want to get a VPN connection and which you do. So very simple VPN application, very straightforward. And I can say some of the servers are fast, but it could be better, but you're good speed. So give it a test, guys, and let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this VPN. But that's it, guys. See you in the next one.